What's happening YouTube? Kivy-Tutorial-14, moving our node info to screen 2. Let's get right into it. Let's import some image action from Kivy because we're going to need this. Okay, so we do a Kivy.uix image, import image. Okay, and just from where we left off from last time, if we go to the screen 2, okay, we've got a box layout here, and what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this label here, and we're going to give this box layout an ID so that we can access it. We're going to call it, let's do this properly, target box. What an inventive name, target box. This box will contain all our target information, and we need to declare this so that we can use it. So we do a self.target box equals self.ids brackets target box. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to define two functions. Okay, we're also going to assign the spinning logos, which you can find free in the description box. Feel free to use them. So we want to define, well, we've already defined this function. We're just going to add some more options to it so we can grab some info. So we're going to do mitm screen1.target equals self.text. So it's going to take the text from the button, the actual button that's pressed, whichever button it is. It may be the Apple button, the Apple node, the unknown node, the gateway node, and it's going to take the text from that button, okay, and store it in the variable that we've just declared so we can use it. And also we want to know what background that particular button is using so that we can assign the appropriate logo, the spinning logo. Right, so self.background normal. Okay, and it will all come together in the end. If you're just getting a bit mixed up there, you will see. Let's just write a little comment here. Take the logo assigned to identify the node. Okay, so when the button's pressed, that's going to be called automatically. Also, we define now load target. This function will be called by the onEnter method of our second screen to load all the information we need. So basically, when the second screen is loaded, this will be bound to this function, so automatically it'll be loaded. So self.target box, and we're going to add, first of all, let's clear widgets. So this will stop any other previous data from that screen being on that screen, so we need to clear the box first. Okay, and let's just add a little comment. And after this tutorial, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, the specifics, the intricacies of our scene scan. I did do a mini tutorial just before this video. You should find it. I might put a link in the description or on the screen at the moment. Go and watch it, okay? Because we're going to be using that code, and we're going to be threading it as well to make it faster, so that we can port scan our nodes. So what we're going to do now is utilize the information that we've gathered. So if mitms1.logo is equal to images slash, so basically if the background of the button we've just pressed is a gateway node, I want to assign the spinning 3D gateway logo. Okay, so self.target box dot add widget, which is going to be an image, and it's going to be the appropriate image, which is going to be found in zips / gate. And now we're going to actually copy these images into the appropriate folder in a while after we've finished. Now I'm going to do an delay. It's 30 frames per second, which is what the images were made at. Let's do a size hint, just for clarity, 1:1, which is what it is anyway. Let's do 0.5. okay, pause hint equals a position hint of X, just to move things around, minus 0.3. okay, and that's that. And what we do is we copy, I do believe we've got 6 nodes or 6 things that we defined. Obviously if you want to assign it to more, then that's cool. If you want to have more options, and I'm just going to fast forward this, you guys should be able to guess what I'm doing now. So it's just simple elif and assigning the appropriate images to the appropriate zips. So Windows WinSpin, Linux spin, Android node, and spin unknown. Okay, so that's all good. Now what we want to do is actually bind the onEnter method to our load target function, and we do this like so. This is why I love Python. Look at this. A few lines. mitms1.load target, and that's that. Okay. What we also have to do is we will need to load the information from the button, but first of all let's just copy the images that I've created into the appropriate folder. So let's just grab all these, and you can find the free 3D spinning logos in the description. Feel free to use them, feel free to design your own. Let's just copy all these into Tutorial-14, which is where we're at. And paste. Okay, so that's all good. Now we just have to add a label at the end of this code, the end of the function. Which will display the text from the button. So self.target box.add widget, label, and we have the text mitms1 dot target, not label. And let's just do some formatting here. Markup equals true. Size hint equals 1:1. And pause hint equals And Kivy's just brought out 1.9, I believe, version 1.9. I haven't upgraded yet, but I do believe it's faster. I haven't used it yet though, but let's run this, and barring any errors we should have a pretty cool looking screen 2, a pimped up screen 2. So let's click Apple, and there we have it. We've got a spinning Apple logo with the information, we've got a spinning Android logo with the information. Android logo could look a bit better. And we've got a spinning gateway logo, and this will work for all the logos obviously that you need. Okay, so that's it guys, that's brilliant. Every logo you can find in the description once again. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next tutorial we're going to be doing some scene scanning and applying it to our screen 2. If you like what you watch, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I will appreciate it. Keep coding, keep being awesome. See ya.